Okay, so Jacob.
Yeah.
Got your train horn. What model is it?
This is a Nathan K3HA, and guys, I told you I'd blow it, so now is the day. Maybe tomorrow we'll get some better footage of it.
Now, the only thing is, Jake, is I don't actually have the right size fitting, so what I'm doing is I'm jamming the air line into there. We're gonna hope it's gonna stay, so we're gonna do a trial run and see if it stays. So I'm just jamming it in. Okay.
Yeah.
It's supposed to thread there, obviously.
Yeah. So this is my buddy Frank, my uncle.
Uncle Frank. So we're just gonna jam it in there. I've sort of got, I don't know.
Yeah. So a number 1 bill, a number 2, and a number 3A or 3, I don't know. So we will set the camera down and let this party get started. Again, I have very sensitive hearing, so just I'll set the camera down.
We're gonna start with 65 psi. Let's see what it sounds like.
Yes, I will probably scream. Okay, so because it's so exciting. Okay, go. Yeah.
Well, that sounds pretty good if you ask me.
What did he say?
That sounds pretty good if you ask me.
Yeah.
Nice horn.
Ah.
Oh, nice horn.
Did you take a thing of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do part 2. Plug your ears.
We got the compressor.
Plug your ears. Plug your ears, Grandma.
There's the train horn. Jake's gonna give it a go here. So pull the thing back.
Let's charge it up a little bit.
Let's get some more PSI.
Do it again.
Hey Jake, tell us the model number of the horns.
K3HA. Okay, plug in your ears. You're plugging your ears?
I don't need them.
My ears are plugged. Really? Okay, Grandma, you gotta plug your ears.
We don't.
Okay, here we go.